Let me tell you a story about a key element that brings our society together and the opportunities civil engineers have to impact humanity for the better. Transportation. People have been moving around since people first existed, walking, rolling, biking, driving, and many other modes. The ways we do it may have changed over the centuries, but transportation is a basic human activity. Sadly, some of the ways we've solved our problems of getting around have led to other problems: pollution, congestion, wasted energy, poor health. Beginning in the early 1900s, when more and more people started to drive automobiles, we built more and more roads to make it easier to get around by car. Then even more people started to drive, so we built even more roads. What we're left with now are many places where it's practically impossible to travel without a car. Don't get me wrong, automobiles and roads provide an unprecedented level of mobility and convenience for going all distances and all sorts of places. But our extreme reliance on them for even basic trips like going to the park, meeting a friend for lunch, or buying groceries has exacerbated problems like obesity, exposure to pollution, traffic congestion, noise, and the high rate of accidents. Our present situation offers an enormous challenge to civil engineers, whose duty is to serve the public and improve quality of life, traditionally through infrastructure projects and planning. To meet this challenge, civil engineers, both present and future, must pair their breadth of knowledge with innovation and cooperation to develop context-sensitive solutions that support and encourage sustainable transportation. In fact, many civil engineers are already doing just that. Even right now, civil engineers are addressing these issues by designing projects that help make our transportation systems more sustainable. This work includes retrofitting roads to safely accommodate all users, not just drivers. Civil engineers are also taking innovative approaches to making mass transit more reliable, efficient, and a more viable choice for getting around in urban areas. Finally, civil engineers are addressing challenges through research. Civil engineers are constantly performing and sponsoring research to find what works and what doesn't, and how to best make use of our limited resources. But still, it takes more than just civil engineers. It takes government. It also takes people to support policies and make choices that make transportation more sustainable. Civil engineers around the world are stepping up to the task, but there are no simple fixes. The solutions will always vary by context. But really, that's what civil engineering has always been about.